Hello guys, this is boy Muhammad. I'm back for another video from How to PC channel. Today I walk you through how to enable GOD mode in Windows 10 or good mode in Windows 10. This step is very easy. You go to desktop and right click and create new folder and put the following code. I'll put the code in the description and click enter. You see, and double click on it. You see we have all setting you want. Change the note voice and etc. Any setting you want: mouse setting, network setting, battery setting, time setting, network setting, flag setting, and everything. And this video for today I hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.